औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Children, in the last class we discussed the social stratification. Let's see the meaning of social stratification, children. The method of dividing people into different strata and then assigning different roles and status in the society, that is known as a social stratification. What is the educational inequality? Article 39, it is said that providing social justice and people welfare is the duty of the state government. Article 21A says that free and compulsory education to all children between 6 to 14 years is fundamental right to the children. Article 45 is mentioning here, says all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. Article 19 says that right to speak and right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. Article 29 provides for the protection of cultural rights of the minorities. These all we discussed in the last class. Let's discuss the lesson labor. In this lesson, we'll discuss some points, that is division of labor, inequality and discrimination in employment or labor, labor with pay and without pay, labors of unorganized and organized sectors, and challenges of unorganized labors. Let's know the meaning of division of labor. The division of labor means the work being done by people depending on their interest, abilities, age, experience, skill and gender. That is known as a division of labor. Division of labor means you have to write down the work being done by people depending on their interest, abilities, age, experience, skill and gender. That is known as division of labor. Factors influence the division of labor. Let's see what are the factors which influence the division of labor. Age, special skill, taste, skill, capacity, talent, gender, interest. This is are the main factors influence the division of labor. Let's know the meaning of labor. What is the meaning of labor? If we'll ask the question, what is the meaning of labor means, you have to write down an act performed to achieve a particular goal, that is known as a labor. Inequality in labor means unequal treatment of people in the workplace, that is known as a inequality in labor. Inequality in labor means unequal treatment of people in the workplace. Plato is mentioning here in his book The Republic, human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor. Who is saying this? Plato, according to Plato. Karl Marx is saying that division of labor creates less skilled workers. Division of labor creates less skilled workers. Let's see the main points of the labor with pay. What is the labor with pay? The labor with gets compensation based on hour, day or month. For semi-skilled or skilled work is considered as labor with pay. They get consideration is called wages. They get consideration is called wages. The compensation is must be becomes inevitable for the people to work in this complex social scenario. And for example, roadside business, small business workers of factories, teachers, etc. These are the examples for the labor with pay. Labor without pay. If work is done without payment, either in cash or kind, is called as labor without pay. They are working but they are not getting pay. That is known as a unpaid work. Paid work means they are doing work and they are getting salaries. That is known as a paid work. Unpaid work means they are doing job but they are not getting salary. They work without considerations and their work often happens within the family due to love, by status, out of self-motivation. For example, the student taking part in the social activities of Scouts and Guides of NCC, mother work on account of and family. If mother is doing work on their home, they won't get salary there, but for their self satisfaction they are doing a job there. Okay children, this is a paid unpaid work, labor without pay also, or unpaid work you can say. Unorganized labor. Let's see the meaning of unorganized labor. Who are known as the unorganized labor. Work is unorganized sectors. Work in unorganized sectors, they do not have fixed wages. They are working in unorganized sectors, but they do not have fixed wages and they have no fixed time or work, and they do not have medical facility also. In unorganized sectors, in unorganized labor, they won't get fixed salary, they won't get benefit of medical facility, they not have any records also there in unorganized labor. But in organized labor is organized sectors and they have fixed wages. Here fixed salary will be given and they have fixed time for work. In organized sector, it will be time also fixed here and they have medical facilities also. In organized sectors, people will get the medical facility also and they will get holidays also in organized sectors. Let's see the challenges faced by unorganized sector workers. Migration, social insecurity, many legal provisions do not apply at all, child labor, physical exploitations and mental exploitations are the problems which are facing unorganized people. If suppose a question will ask, what are the problems facing by the unorganized sectors, means you have to write down unorganized workers, means you have to write down migration, social insecurity, many legal provisions do not play at all, and child labor, physical exploitations and mental exploitations. These are the challenges faced by the unorganized sector workers. Now some question I will ask children. You have to say, what do you mean by the division of labor? What do you mean by the division of labor? The work being done by people depending on their interest, ability, age, experience, skill and gender. That is known as a division of labor. Challenges faced by unorganized sector workers. What are the challenges faced by unorganized sectors means? Yes, you are right children. Migration, social insecurity, many legal provisions do not apply at all, child labor, physical exploitations and mental exploitations. Take down homework children. What is division of labor? First question, what is division of labor? Second question is, what is labor with payment? Explain the challenges faced on social security issue by the unorganized sectors. These three questions you have to write down children. Question with answers. This is your homework. Thank you. Jazakallah khaira. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself children. Allah Hafiz.